Good morning, based on latest market news, I am Uliana. Asian shares advanced close to recent highs on Friday and were on track for weekly gains, while the dollar gave up some of its overnight rise. Hong Kong's benchmark Hang Seng Index was up about 0.5% after surging to 7-year highs in the previous session on money inflows from mainland China, investors who are seeking cheaper shares. Japan's Nikkei stock average was up 0.1% after earlier breaking the 20,000 level for the first time since April 2000. Markets showed little reaction to data showing China's consumer inflation stayed flat at 1.4% in March, while producer prices fell slightly less than projected, keeping pressure on profit margins at Chinese companies as Beijing struggles to stimulate growth. Brent crude oil futures remained firm after rising on Thursday on strong German economic data and uncertainty about negotiations on Iran's nuclear program. Brent added about 0.4% to $56.79 a barrel. Against the yen, the dollar climbed to a 3-week high of 120.74 overnight, moving well away from its post-payroll low of 118.71 yen a week ago. It was last at 120.54 yen, down slightly on the day. The euro added about 0.2% on the day to $1.0676 after dipping to a 3-week low of $1.0637 on Thursday. The common currencies recovery helped push down the dollar index to 98,877, down about 0.3% on the day, and moving away from its 12-year peak of 100.390 set last month. It is a fairly quiet macro day today, and the European industrial production data during the early European session is about all that will be released today. UK February industrial production 8:30 GMT. An increase of 0.3% from the previous month is expected, following a fall of 0.1% in January. This would leave the year-over-year change in February to 0.4%. The PMI was encouragingly strong during the first quarter. The reading was 54 in February, followed by 54.4 in March. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.